Hello and welcome back to another one of our Caring Cooks recipes.
Today we are focusing on no-bake cheesecake.
Always remember to wash your hands before cooking.
For the ingredients you will need 9 oat biscuits, example hobnobs, 250 grams or 9 ounces of low-fat soft cream cheese, 450 grams of cork, 50 grams or 2 ounces of icing sugar, 75 millilitres of lemon juice, 175 grams or 6 ounces of mixed soft fruit or any fruits of your choice, example strawberries, raspberries, blueberries and peaches. Method: crush the biscuits in a sandwich bag and press into a batch of an 8-inch 20cm loose bottom cake tin or individual cups. Or you could just crush your biscuits in a bowl like we are. Mix the soft cheese and cork together until fairly smooth and then add the lemon juice and icing sugar. Taste, you may want to add a little more lemon juice or icing sugar. Pour the cheese mixture over the biscuits and spread out evenly. Top with fruit and leave to set for 2 hours before serving. Eat on the same day as making it. And serve.